floosh cheese song. What did you get? Open up your hee-hee-la cassette. Don't worry, parents, it's not a pet. We hope you love your hee-hee-la cassette.
Actual hee-hee-la cassette do not contain the following: kittens, doggos, or churches.
Okay guys, I'm gonna make sugar cookies. Each of you in your box got a sugar cookie mix. It is a snack one, so it's only gonna make, it says makes 12 2-inch cookies. That is not very big. And we gave you pretty big cookie cutters, 2 or 3 each. So on your instructions, I included not only what was on here, but I did include an easy recipe for sugar cookies. So that way you guys can actually make more cookies with the cookie cutters, because I don't think these are gonna make maybe 3. I'm not sure. So all the instructions are on that paper, but they're also on the back, and it's super, super easy. All you need is butter and water and the mix. So I'm gonna do 3 packs. You guys only have 1 pack, but 1 pack only calls for half a stick of butter, or 1/4 cup, and then 1 tablespoon of water. So you'll have to provide your own butter, and of course the water also. And you'll need a bowl, a spoon, and so let's go ahead and open these up. Maybe. You're gonna dump them into the bowl. And it shouldn't be this hard to get it out. It's just Kyla who's having issues. All right. When in doubt, use scissors. Okay, so after you're done putting the cookie mix in the bowl, you're then going to put the butter in. It says to just let the butter soften on its own, but I went ahead and melted it. It might make the cookies a little flatter maybe, but it still works. So if you wanted to, you could take out a half a stick of butter and put it on the counter and just let it get warmer so you can use it. So you're gonna put the butter in with the mix. And then you need your water and a tablespoon. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons in, but your package only calls for 1. Then you're gonna stir it up until it makes a good doughy ball. I also forgot to mention that you should definitely wash your hands before you start any cooking project. I already washed my hands. But I know that all of you usually have pretty disgusting hands, so you should probably wash them good before, because you're going to use your hands, or you could use a spoon, to put them on the baking sheet. If your parents have a mixer and they let you, you could probably use the mixer also, but honestly, just stirring it with your hands works just fine. Okay, I think we got it good. So it should look like that. Now, I found some parchment paper. So it's like this waxy paper. And I'm gonna put the dough on it and flatten it. If you guys have a rolling pin, which I didn't have, that would make it even so that you can use the cookie cutters better. But I'm just gonna use my hands. Little clumps in here. And I'm gonna make a ball out of it. And I'm gonna push down. And then you can use your cookie cutter, and this is a snowflake. And cut it out. Because I melted my butter, it's super sticky. Just so you know. If you don't want to use the cookie cutters, that's okay too. You can just make them into little balls. And then you try. Doesn't really look like a star anymore, or a snowflake. But you put it on the pan. And then you continue to do that until your pan is full. Hi guys, this is the result of the sugar cookies we baked. So these are shapeless because I microwaved the butter and it made it really gooey. And remember when I tried to use the cookie cutter and scoop it up and put it on the tray, it was just a hot mess. So it turned out like this. But they taste delicious. I put chocolate frosting on them, and then I crushed up candy canes because it's the holidays and it has to have peppermint flavor on it. But you guys hopefully will be able to use your cookie cutters, and you all got frosting, different flavors: lemon, strawberry, chocolate, vanilla. If you get a vanilla one, you can use your food coloring to color your frosting and put them on, or you can just leave them without. You can put sprinkles on them, you can crush candy or peppermint if you want also. Anyways, I hope you guys have fun doing this and have fun eating them. Thanks, have a good day, bye.
The following resources are available in our community. If you need help with food, you can reach out to the food pantry at 503-879-FOOD. Other resources can be found on this list.
Hee Hee La Cassette productions are filmed in front of a live studio audience.